If your Ford Ranger is struggling to fire up or just giving you a click, we are going to find the fix right now. Statistically, almost half of all starting issues on this platform come down to a weak battery or dirty terminals. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through the diagnostic steps to save you time and money. Start with the basics by checking battery voltage and ensuring your terminals are making a clean, solid connection. If you hear a single loud click when you turn the key, your starter motor is likely the primary culprit. If the engine cranks but won't catch, check the fuel pump inertia switch located in the passenger footwell. Most Ranger starting issues are DIY friendly, but security system or computer problems usually require a professional scanner. Repair costs can range from a $15 relay to several $100s for a full fuel pump replacement. If the battery is good, perform a voltage drop test to ensure power is actually reaching the starter motor. You can solve most of these issues with a basic socket set and a digital multimeter for electrical testing. Remember, a clicking sound usually means the starter wants to work, but isn't getting enough juice from the battery. Follow these steps and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time. See you in the next one.